the next thing is I'd like to show you how to share your document and collaborate with your friends or your team members from the same co-working space or maybe outside somewhere else. You can work together on the same page that you've created. So to share your document or to share a particular page, the complete page, you can come to that particular page and share directly using this share icon. One thing you should pay attention to, if you share from the whole page here, that person you are sharing with can have access to all your sub pages, except if you've decided to show otherwise. But you can have access to the entire sub pages that you have under this particular main page. To share, you can just click on that page. You can come to the share icon over here. You just click on share, and you have the option to invite people through their email address. So you can click and just type the email address directly. For example, epicmentorship1@gmail.com. I want to share this work with this guy, so you just select, and you can select directly to invite, and you can see we've just added Epic Mentorship. You can control the access that he's going to have. Right now he has full access. You can let him just only edit, can only edit, or you can comment only, or you can view only without other features, or you can have full access at this time, at this point. So you can specify which kind of access you want him to have directly. If you don't want him to edit, you can just view. You can just set the control from here. If you want it to edit, or you want him to have the full access, you can set all that from here as well. Alternatively, from the share icon, you can share to the web also. If you want, you can enable this, and you'll be able to have the link that you can share with people. Okay, you can publish the entire page as a web page, which you can share with your fellow speakers in the club or club members, so they can easily have access to all these features. The date, the meeting schedules, and they can even add themselves as speakers. So for now, we've invited Epic Mentorship, and you can see from here that it's Epic Digital Academy and the Epic Mentorship that are working on this same page. So if you go back to Epic Mentorship's page, for example, here, Epic Digital Academy invited you to collaborate on this, so you can click and you can accept. So while you're working, you can tag Epic Digital Academy on some tasks and ask him to fill up. So for example, here you're working on this, and at this point you may want to add a comment. You just select, you have to add a comment, and you can now tag. Okay, you can say at Epic Digital Academy, at Epic Mentorship, please add the details of the general evaluator for the meeting. Okay, so, and you just hit on enter to just send in. If you have any attachment, you can attach. But right now we've created a case, so let's look at this from the Epic Digital Academics page, because we've shared with him this page. Okay, so as Epic Mentorship, you will be able to come over here, come to this page. You can come down here, and you can see the comment by Epic Digital Academy tagging you. So you can just go ahead and click to reply. Okay, so you can say done, adding the name, for example, and just hit on enter, and you can see Epic Mentorship have done adding the name, because you are working on the same page. So you can come back to Epic Digital Academy, and you can see the comment that Epic Mentorship had just made. So because Epic Mentorship is also working on the same page, that's why you see this color, fully color. The other time when it's not working, when it's not on that page, you will see it grayed in color. So that's how to show when he's actively working on the same page with you. And then right now that he has done it, he has added the name that I've asked him to add. So you can just click on this to resolve the case, and you can see right now everything is resolved. If you want to see this comment or something like a history of that comment, you can come to comment over here, and right now you will see this is open comments, because you've resolved all the comments. You can only see resolved comment from here, and you see the conversation that we have with Epic Mentorship over here. And alternatively, you can also close on this. Then you come to settings and members, and you'll be able to see how many guests you've added. You can see you've added Epic Mentorship. You can come to this access level, you click on this, and you see you have access, or you give access to Kinta Valley Toastmasters Club to Epic Mentorship. So Epic Mentorship can do all this, and then you can convert to admin. If you want to convert Epic Mentorship to be an admin in this very page, you can do that. Or if you want to remove him, you can easily remove him as you so wish. Okay, so you can easily remove Epic Mentorship from this access that you've just given him. So this is how to share your document and collaboratively work with others. And you can see any updates that you've made from here. You can see the updates that you've just made. Epic Mentorship and Epic Digital Academy have made a comment on this, and the good thing from these updates is you can easily send a reply directly from here. You can reply to Epic Mentorship on what he has said. He said, done adding the name. You can easily reply and put in other things directly from here. So this is very, very easy way to kind of navigate around and see what is happening directly within the page. So another way you can do the sharing is you can also go ahead and create a web page, share to the web, like I have just explained. You can click on this to share to the web, and then you can copy the link. So when you share this link through your email with your followers or with your club members, they'll be able to have full access and be able to do other things as regards this very page that you've created. So let's go back here and let's create a fresh page, and let's paste that link that you've just copied, and you'll be able to see what you will have access to. So this is the page that we just created. Give access to your club members, and you can see the complete page show, and it's just loaded just like that. So members can go ahead and do other things. They can add, they can just not just edit, but they can add the details, or they can work on it as you so wish, as you've specified. Whatever you want them to do, they'll be able to do from here using that very link that you just created. And you can specify the access level of that link. So once you're here, you've shared with them on this the link. Okay, you can give the show link options. You can click and you will see what kind of actions you want to give to them. You can allow to duplicate as templates. You can allow comments from here, and you can allow editing from here. For those members who have this link, they can edit, they can comment, and they can save this as templates. So this is basically how to add, how to share and collaboratively work with others within the same platform called Notion. It's very, very easy to connect and navigate and work together as a team in Notion.